Yo, 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 what's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. Let's make this hub in my game. Let's see. Let's get everything set up so you guys can see the screen. Let's see. That's going to be the audio output. Okay. Oh, sorry. Where is this coming from? Oh, it's my phone. That's odd. There we go. I have my my headphones connected to both my PC and my computer. My PC and my phone. So I heard myself like on the phone and on the computer, but you guys can. So that's good. So there is no like super echoey things. Okay, there we go. That's the screen. And then I'm going to write something here. One like is equal to 10 push-ups. There we go. Scale this correctly. This is a 60 FPS stream, I think, because not because I wanted this to be like high production, but I simply forgot to do anything else. Turn it off basically after my recent Minecraft video, so this will be hard on my Wi-Fi, but who cares? My Wi-Fi is really good. It's 500 up, 500 down, so should be good. Now let's turn on some music. Let's go. Non-copyright. Lo-fi. There we go. Yo, yo, yo. Should be good now. Let's go. Let's work on this level. Let's see. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is obviously figure out what we're going to do. I just made this like very simple room here. This is like previous, but it's nothing we're going to use. It's not going to be like this long room. What I was thinking is that we can have different levels. So first thing I should probably do is have the floor here correctly. Okay, looks good. Oh, there's these annoying things like this. Like sometimes things doesn't snap. You know what? I don't need these, to be fair. I don't need it. We're just going to make the entire thing over again. So I have this like city here, which I think is quite cool. I bought a bigger version of this as well. Maybe I should use that. I'm not sure. I think this is good for now. There's no need to overthink this. Like small detail doesn't really matter. So the first thing we can do is that we can create the floor. I don't want the room to be too big. Let's see. I mean 15 times 15 meters. That should be good, right? 15. 15. There we go. Yep. Like that. And then where's this? Yeah, it's too small. Let's see, let's say 15 or 30 maybe. It's a bit too big. 25. This is how game dev is, guys. You just try things. And then let's see if I can just try walking around a bit. See the feels. I have no... Oh, I think I left the rigid body on the player. And since I... No. It's weird. So, like... unresponsive and slow. What? Weird. Let's see, player movement. The walk speed is 5. That's not too slow. That's not the problem. The player is a prefab now, but when I play the game, it's not a prefab. That's odd. And it has a rigid body automatically assigned. There we go. Why is that happening? What? So weird. Wait, now what does this add? You learn new things all the time. I didn't know like switching the prefab here just adds the child over. That's weird. I mean, game dev is weird, I guess. What? Oh fuck, Unity, bro. This looks more normal, I guess. Let's see. No, it still like overrides the player for some reason. Has to be something I've done. I'll just ask Codex real quick. This is very check in the scene. Why does the prefab kit? Let's see. Okay, but how does this look? I mean, it looks... Let's just like, okay, remove this, I guess. It's like big project things, guys. I'm not used to working in big projects. I'm starting to get used to it now, since I'm working on this game, but it's like things like this that you have to get used to in big projects, right? Just check everything is working. Yeah, okay. So, still too big. Let's see if we can try 20. Because the thing is, I have around like 25 levels in the game, and still a bit big. Let's say 18 or 17 and a half. I have around like 25 levels in the game, and that's going to be a lot of doors that you need to open, because in a hub here, it's going to be like you open one door to start a level, and if I would have just like 25 doors in one hallway here, that would be a lot, to say the least. So we're going to try to have multiple, separated the chapters a bit. I also don't like how these like said fight. It's really annoying. This is not me, by the way, this is the asset. Said fighting. Because they're just lazy and they put the fucking railing inside the room. Ah, no one will notice. No one's going to notice, guys. I do. Because you can look horrible from a distance. Let's see. Okay. I think this is a good size. Let's put this as concrete. Yep. Just give it. We can texture at the end. Let's see. Okay. So maybe it would be better if I can have it be like this, a bit longer than it is wide. So let's say 12.5 hair. The player can be here. Snap spawn to player. There we go. Around there. Or around there, because we're going to have the wall. Then we're going to create the wall. Why is this snapping? That's annoying. Sometimes I don't understand Unity. Yeah, I can try to maybe align these a bit better. Mine is 47.5. There we go. Like there. But still. I don't have like a standard wall thickness, but 0.25 seems okay, I guess. The song is kind of banging, to be honest. Is this tall enough? I'd say so. I also have this like custom, which is saving me a lot of time. This custom editor plugin, which automatically, when I create objects with ProBuilder, so not all objects, but with ProBuilder, you can see that it automatically assigns to the environment layer. So it's really nice. So instead of me having to manually go into everything and like click this and then click this and then, oh, do you want to change the children? Yeah, I want to change the children. And then just like a big mess. Just like one less thing to think about. And that's really nice. I said this a lot on the streams. When you're making games like this, having things that's saving you time is immensely valuable. It's like just a time saver, so such a big time saver. Because let's say I'm making like 35 levels in this game, and in each level I place like 50 objects, and then to change the layer it takes like 10 seconds, right? It's a few minutes that I'm saving. Maybe not 10 seconds because I can mass do it, but saving a few minutes. More than it takes to, more than the time it takes to create it. Do I really need the... I don't need the effect manager in here. I think I fixed the issue now. Also, yeah. the rigid body. Nice. Okay, looks good. I want to make this glass. Also, I don't know why I call it glass roof. Glass. Just normal glass. And also I have these smudges on it. It's kind of cool. Smudges. Yes. Nice. Dun, dun. Room failure. Where is that? Def manager. I need that in this. Speaker manager. Can have that, yeah. The respawn. Because I have these like things in place to ensure that each level is set up correctly and it's wired and has all the things that I need in every single room. But this is an exception. This is the only exception in the entire game because this is it's the hub, right? There's no level. But where is these things that's causing me the errors? Okay, should be removed. Nice. Okay. So I'm thinking something like a lift would be really cool to have in this. So this can be like the first chapter. I have 6 chapters in the game. This could be the first chapter. Then there's like a lift to the next chapter with 3 doors. It can be something unique and proprietary inside of that room maybe. And yeah, looks good. Maybe I should. Small detail, but probably looks better this way. See? Yep. Looks nice. And then the plan is to have like a big wall here. We're just going to say the integrity level of the museum. So the plot is basically that the player is a new recruit in this museum and they have been tasked to test everything and test the escape rooms where they have different cool effects. And as the player like figures out more and breaks the rules of the puzzles, the integrity index is going to go down, and in the end that becomes a problem. I've not really like fully in detail wrote down the story and everything that's going to happen. I want to make the levels first. I think that's going to be the best. But yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's make this concrete. Or I had this like, yeah, casino carpet. That's cool, isn't it? And then we also need this wall here, so it seems like you're in like a big building or something. Maybe I can just... Maybe I should do something that's like behind. Oh. Let's say like this one. Just copy this and then... Also, I think this city here is actually much smaller than it seems, but the fact that you're like far away makes it seem like bigger, or like at this specific distance. Yeah, because this building seems like really big when you're in here. It's like, oh, a big building, but really it's the same like width and as, yeah, slightly bigger than the hub room, which is quite small. Oh, there we go. Oh, perfect. Nice. That's cool. Yeah, I like it. So also, I assume not really some expert at like how the world works, but I assume that the player can like see this. Yeah, if they stand here or something. So let's make the walls go like this. Then maybe I could just steal the texture from the building here, just make it simple. I love how everything just snaps together. That's awesome. Love when that happens. Maybe we should give the roof. As long as the size is fine, I think it is. That's not snapping. There we go. Thank you. Focus. Focus, focus, focus. 1, 2. Oh, I changed the... Oh, I don't want to change you. Can I just... There we go. There we go. See how this looks. Better. Oh, it didn't fucking snap. And I assume also that it looks better if I actually have this over the roof, to be fair. Like this, and then I just lower the glass slightly. 1, 2, there we go. Yep, looks much better. The only problem I have is that the glass, it looks too good. Like, you can only see the details when you, like, here is invisible. I'm not even sure it's rendering. Now it's obviously visible, but... How does glass look like up? I mean... I really hate that set fighting. It's such a scummy thing. Like, why are you making assets and then just... Obviously, having so much set fighting, it's actually unusable. I think there were some more as well, but I tried to manually fix it. That's annoying. Yeah, also let's move everything closer. The hub. What's this keyboard as a floor? Nice. Spawn point. Should be everything. Yeah. Nice. Around here, I guess. See how this looks. Yep. Much better. Nice. Let's see. Okay. I could texture this so it looks a bit better. I'll just steal this, to be fair. Oh no, I don't... Yeah. This is like embedded or something, so it's hard to just copy it, but I mean, I don't think this texture is the hardest to replicate. Just making it myself. Let's see. Materials. Is there a folder? Materials, environment. It's masonry, right? Plain concrete. I think this is concrete. Maybe the room should be different than just copy. Okay, copying the color didn't do much. Let's see. Or it did do something, but... Pretty sure concrete is not metallic at all. I mean, wouldn't it make sense that copying the color here would just make it the same color? Why is it a different color? Does that make sense? It's probably better. I mean, yeah. There's some balance there. It's like more accurate when I do it manually. Makes no sense. Also, let's see. No clipping. Well, maybe some is good, but okay, let's see. I mean, that's probably the closest I'll get, to be fair. Now everything is fucked up. It's probably easier to just move this. It's like snapping things in Unity is complicated. Or it's not complicated, just like works in weird ways. There we go. Yes. Nice. Perfect. Okay. Where should the roof be? First of all, it's very dark in here. Let's just like temporarily have it here, so it's a bit better. Okay, let's say 2. There we go. Okay, how do we want this to be? Also, I had some doors there, but they're like really basic. Sorry, they're like really basic doors. See if I can find them. Like these. Well, the size is probably going to be fucked up now, but yeah. Dun, dun, dun. I should have them as a prefab. I probably didn't come to that point. Okay. Well, I must have them as a prefab. I remember I spent some time making these things and the door trigger and stuff like that. Let's see if I can find them. Environment, doors, basic. Oh, there we go. There we go. And then I made this script, the door hinge, which is exactly what you would imagine. It simulates a door hinge. I remember I had this task when I was applying for like a Roblox job, where I had to make this like door hinge. Remember that was the task, and I failed. So this is my revenge. This is my revenge at making a door hinge. So basically, what this collider is that it's the area where you can like interact with the door to open it. Which makes sense, right? If I have it like right here. Now, the player behavior here is really weird because now all of a sudden you're like a fish. There's no friction at the when you're walking. But it was working. It was working fine before. Like what happened? What happened? It's set as an environment. That's correct. Is the player set to the player? Yes, it is. Hmm. Oh, it was just an issue that the player is a child of the hub. That's weird. I mean, sure, but it's weird. This is how it's intended to be anyway, so it's fine, but now I know. Learn new things every day, right? Especially when you're a game developer, especially when you're using Unity. Yes. Okay, so I was going to show you guys this door. Basically like this. Right there. Yes. It's a big door. How do I close it? Does the collider move with the door? That's a big question. Yes, it does. I mean, this is a normal door size, right? I don't like the fact that it's not detecting my input when I... Why is that? Okay, so now it's only closing when maybe I don't have a close, something that closes it. Maybe it can just be opened. I don't remember. This is like weeks ago I made this. Let's see, because I can open it, right? And then I can move around, I can do whatever I want. But when I go inside, no, it's still I'm still too big and fat. Still too fat. Luckily this is not real life. Yeah, I can open it, I can go inside, and then it's going to close. No, it's not. Oh. I remember, this is, oh, I forgot, completely forgot. This is the close trigger. And then, let's see, okay, the close trigger, because this is like when you open a level, it's not a normal door, this is like to start the level. Okay, so what we can do, like we can have this here, we can make it quite big, just like on the other side here. Let's move it right here. Okay, something like that. Like that. This is going to be our close trigger. We assign it here. And now, yes, okay, makes sense. So I can open it, and this is like automatic. But when am I still too? Oh, I didn't make it the trigger. I can open it now, but when I walk inside, it's going to close automatically, and then my idea was that now the level begins. That was my idea. So you can open it, but when you're inside the close trigger, it's going to close automatically. And then you can't close it here because it's a level, so when you open the door, you're kind of forced to actually start the level itself. Okay, nice. Now we got that figured out. So what if we had just add the elevator now? Or should it be a different room? Maybe it should be both. Let's say we're just going to try this out, guys. Let's say we do the next room is going to be like a different door, and then we can have the elevator, and then we can just move around like inside of this. So we can have the next chapter is going to be here, then the next chapter there, and then we move up. And that could be cool. Maybe we can move down. That would be even cooler, actually. Let's try to make that. Move to the side. Should be fairly simple, right? Just make a wall here. It's horribly snapped, sorry. Oh, are these inside of each other? Yeah. We don't want no set fighting here. Let's fix that immediately. Straight away. Right now. There we go. Fixed. What's the hotkey for this? I don't know, it doesn't say it. I only have the prefab for the small one, why? Oh, I have the big one, just like gate, big, or large gate, large. There we go. Probably need to replace these doors because the theme of the game is more like sci-fi, right? And if I just have these normal doors and then I have this like fucking sci-fi cool door here. Is the size nice? Yeah, looks good. It's going to be a bit weird, I think. Maybe I can just, no, I was going into the roof. And then it was this. Cutting out the wall. Yes, I love it. Absolutely fun task, guys. Oh, frick. Ah, I can curse. Fuck. Is there a balance between this? Where I can have it both visible at this side, but then the gates are still, no, probably not. Okay, nice. Then we'll just have to cut out this wall so that you can actually move through it and not just open the door into a wall of concrete. That wouldn't be a good game. Oh, finally unlocked the door. That is just fucking concrete. Absolutely love this task. I mean, I found a lot of basically game development, or at least in like this type of game. It's just like inside of Pro Builder, at least for me. Just like so much Pro Builder, bro. It's basically the entire level design is just like Pro Builder. Be inside of Pro Builder, bro. Maybe I shouldn't subdivide the faces. Maybe it's better to do the vertices. Shouldn't that be split? Oh, it's this song. 2015 YouTube. Dun dun. It's this song called Better Days. Oh, there's also this one. Yeah, that's nostalgia. See, I want to sit down. Give me a second, guys. I'll just have to move the camera a bit so it doesn't fucking go inside my, yeah, fall down. Yeah, that would be good. Dun. There we go. That's what I told you. Give me a second. There we go. No worries. No camera broken. Now it's supported on my monitor, so it can't fall physically unless my monitor breaks down, but I don't think that's going to happen. Let's see. It's like some of these things that I do just multiple times, I don't remember how to do. It's like this one, like why can't I just make more vertices? Some of these things, bro. Okay. Subdivide. The reason why I do this is because I want to do something like this on this edge. Like this. That was the goal, yes. And now I need to extrude these. Yeah, now it's like 1,000 different faces. Doesn't matter, I'll get through them. Why can't I just... Isn't that odd? Now I can make these one. Merge? Yes, nice. Bit easier to work with. And no, I'm going to extrude this. Yes, nice. Pro gamer. Pro game developer. Yes. Dun, dun, bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, bum, bum, bum. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. Let's do the same with these. Dun, dun. Oh, these aren't really copyright free. I didn't check, but because I just played like some. It's probably fine. I'm such a pro, guys. Just getting through this without any struggles. At all. No struggles. Move this entire thing closer, can't I? Like that. No struggles, guys. Nice. It's inside, but does it matter? Maybe it does, yeah. Can I just like connect these? No. I created more? What? What? What's the connecting? I have no idea what. I mean, what weld and connect makes me think, okay. These are going to connect. Just give me a second, guys. My camera needs to charge. It makes me think that they should be like connected into one, but they don't. Probably a way to do it, though. Let's see. How does this look? This looks completely fine. Close. Oh. Oh, did this get fucked up? Luckily, they're just 1 or 0. Oh, this is not 0. -1. -2. That's 1.5. There we go. -1.4. There we go. Close. Open. No. What's happening? open offset should be 0. No, this is... open, close, like this. Now, the thing that's a bit annoying... Is my camera not going to turn on? There we go. The thing that's a bit annoying is that like these doesn't fit into like the wall here. I think another issue. I don't think I can open this. Oh, I locked this. I don't think I can like close this while I'm in play mode. I was going to save it. Let's see if this is better. Open door. There we go. Okay. Nice. Yeah, it looks good. Absolutely beautiful. I don't really like the ending there. Maybe we can have some more easing. $1.5. Three seconds. 2. I mean, yeah, it's nice. You have the sun there as well. The big sun. Yeah, if I just move it closer, I think it's going to look much bigger just by doing that alone. Oh, it's even spinning. Oh, I know why it's so small, because like the goal was a bit too small though. It's just like there's something that makes it so you can see that it's right here. Might be the edges or something. What if I just make it smaller? And that actually looks good. There's not that much lens flare here. Oh yeah, that's something I added. I made it spin so that you can see like the lighting here and stuff. it moves, like, so you can see it looks like a real sun, which in real life the sun actually moves. You didn't know. Oh, that's good. Let's see. Let's continue on this other room here. Oh shoot. Let's see if I can find some other cool. I mean, I could also just use this, which is actually like exactly what I want. But I use these in the puzzles. I feel maybe it would be too much. I mean, if I find something, I'll just use that. If not, I'll use the gates I already have. I don't think it matters that much. We also need to make sure that it's not CCNC, because that means no commercial use. Also CC0, but I don't see many people upload CC0 to Sketchfab. Which is sad. I mean, they don't get anything, or they barely get anything, or any benefit if they upload a CC0, so it makes sense, but... It needs to be like openable and closable. No, yeah, that might sound obvious, but it can't be like this. That's my point. And I also have this. I have a laser in the game. Oh, this one is really cool. Sector 15. Maybe I can change the text even. That would be cool. Oh, this is really nice. Damn. This is more like a spaceship though, because of the handles there and stuff. I don't think I can use this. Looks too much like a spaceship. This one as well. I don't know why there are handles here. Comes with the animation, that's nice. This one is really sci-fi, bro. What even is this? Oh, it's for big vehicles, yeah. Oh, this is sick. People are really creative, bro. Damn, even made an animation for this. This is beautiful. Oh shit, this is beautiful. I can't use it though, unfortunately, but it's really cool. Props to Helly, bro. What did I ask? For free? Are you serious? Yeah. Maybe I have some other cool things that I can use. Let's see. I mean, didn't have much hair, no. What about this one or this one maybe? Oh, that's really cool. But also, it's like my game is more minimalistic. I don't want these like flashy things. Hey, sad moose. How are you, bro? Hope you're doing well. I don't want these like big things. It doesn't really fit. It's like a museum, not a spaceship. This is the other guy. Let's look at this. This looks minimal. Oh, it's probably paid. Oh, it's free. Let's see. It's also for big vehicles. I don't think it matters that much. I'll probably use this. I mean, it's better than this fucking shit door. Size good. In Blender, it's like when you hold down control, you can move it slow, or shift probably. There isn't something equivalent in Unity, it seems. I mean, these things are hard. There we go. Nice. And then I want to have like a system where, because this is an annoying task, to be fair. If you were here when I made this, I spent some time on... Fuck, there's a gap here. That's what I mean. This is... Why is the face hair deleted? Really? What happened? That's what I mean. Okay, so what I was saying is that I want to have a system where the doors automatically cuts out like behind them, because this is like really annoying to have to like cut out and make the door frame there every single time I place a door. There has to be a better way. And also I tried to use the cutting tool, like the cut tool. Let's see, but it only does one face at a time. So it's probably easier if I show it here, for example. If I use the cutting tool on this wall, cut tool is there. Let's say I make it really precise. Let's say this is like the door, right? And I press delete on this. And now maybe a bit bigger so you can actually see. And I press delete. Now you might think, oh hey Kevin, you made the door. That's the frame. And then I walk in and then it's still on the other side. I mean, it's like, this feature was not intentional at all by Unity. Or maybe I just have some loose screws. I'm not sure. What's up, Sadmus? Hello. Nice emoji you got there. YouTube emojis are peak, bro. 1 like is 10 push-ups, guys, so just press likes and you'll see me do push-ups. Even though I trained chest yesterday, I'll still do them for you. Let's see. Even if I press delete, that deletes the whole fucking thing. Right. There has to be a way to use this. It's really annoying. I tried to figure it out. But it's just like, doesn't seem like you can do it. That would be really convenient. If not, I'll probably have to make some script or something that automatically does this, but I have no idea how I'm going to do that. Because if I'm going to place 30 doors, I don't want to place 30 doors. Bro, 30 doors manually and then make the hinge where I'm just sitting here like, oh, moving the thing, that's too much, bro. I won't do that. I'll need to find a way to automate it. So if you know what I'm talking about, by the way, it's basically where I have to make the wall here go like sideways and I have to like cut out the wall so you can actually walk inside, so it's not just like concrete. And since these are like cornered, I have to make like a specific shape, like this shape right here. And that's going to take me a lot of time if I'm going to do manually, like on all of these doors. Yo, Sadmus, if you're still here, tell me what you're building. The moment to set a game, a prototype, are you learning? Learning the foundations, what are you doing? What I'm going to do, so I'm going to click on this, I'm going to use this. Just going to ask Codex if this is the thing. Well, I use the cutting tool in Pro Builder. Just delete the face on my side. No way to side as well. How do I make it so the cutting tool deletes on both sides of a mesh? /ball. Search docs if needed. Then I'll fucking put this on extra high because I think it's going to hallucinate and not be a genius like I want it to be. Luckily I have fast mode because I'm spent all my money on Codex. So I have the Pro. The Pro. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the Pro after the 10x usage limits are up or finished. Probably won't be worth it, I'm not sure. Having Pro mode though is really nice to have Pro. I mean the ChatGPT Pro version. And also just not having to think about Codex limits and APIs and like the business account and stuff like that is really nice. And the Pro is just like the Pro plan. At least right now you just don't think about the usage and anything. It's just like it just works. With image gen as well, you can just like do whatever you want basically. Probably cut tool is face-based, not volumetric. Okay, it only creates a new face on the surface you clicked. So deleting that face removes only the near side polygon. It will not automatically cut the opposite side of a thick wall. For a through hole, use one of these workflows. Use the edge/loop cuts or connect edges to make matching rectangle topology on both front and back sides. The Boolean tool. Let's try the Boolean tool, guys. Has to be good, right? Okay. So it says, make a ProBuilder cube the size of the doorway/window passing fully through the wall. Okay, we basically have this. Open tools, ProBuilder, experimental. That's something I need to enable. Probably. Let's see if I can enable it. There we go. I'm so smart, bro. I thought of something myself without using AI. Let's go. Let's go. Today is a win. Use my brain. W's in the chat for using my brain. L in the chat for this taking too long. Are there any other cool things here? Show action notification. Interesting. Shadow casting mode on. Grid size. Cool. I don't think there's much cool things here. Tools, ProBuilder, experimental, Boolean tool. This is only experimental, okay. ProBuilder mesh. This one. Oh fuck, it's not a ProBuilder. ProBuilderize. That's the thing, right? Tools, ProBuilder. Actions, no. Geometry. Oh, there we go. ProBuilderize. Yes. No, why is it not working? Oh, there we go. Door or the frame? The frame one or the door? Probably just need the door. Okay, nice. Guys, this should work. Okay. Into this. Okay, that's going to be this wall. Intersection, union, subtract. Subtract. Apply. Did it work? What the fuck? What? What happened? Why is there two? What? New game object. It created this new game object where this is. Oh, I think I know the issue. They're supposed to be, yeah, that way. Let's see. Or open door. What the? Union. Or maybe this object. What's happening? Why is it like cutting off the what? This is so shit. Who made this feature? Who uses this feature? Who would need this feature? It's like horrible. The mesh here is how is this helpful for anyone? Need to figure this out, guys. We need to. Okay. It says it works better when there's a completely simple ProBuilder shape. So we're going to try that. Just make it very simple. Like this, delete, open the door. There we go. But now we're back to square one. Because now I need to outline the fucking... Or maybe I don't. Maybe I can just no snapping this time. Like this. Like this. I don't know, like this. Let's see. Did this work? Guys. Guys, it worked. Let's go. Finally. Oh, that's beautiful. Are you serious? I just being dramatic. It's just like small detail. Make this bigger. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Okay. Now I know. This is just a normal wall now. Okay, that tool is actually really useful. It's just like weird that it doesn't work on game objects other than just like a rectangle, but doesn't matter. Well, it's nice that we figured that out. I'll continue working on this off stream, and yeah, if I feel like it, I'll stream some more. And thank you so much for everyone that watched the stream. If you're watching the replay as well, and yeah.